Hello there, I'm Lisa. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I have your March unboxing for you. This kit is called Today Is Your Day. This is the postcard that comes in the front of the kit, and you've got your letter here in the front as well, just telling you a little bit about the kit, who we're collaborating with, and a challenge that's currently running over on the Lollipop Box Club chat group, which I will link up below for you. It's a really fun place to join in. So let's open this kit. You can see the colours this month. The colours, as you open the kit, always give it away as to what this month's colour combo is. I've got a mystery gift there, which I'm popping to one side. That is a special and extra gift for the subscribers this month. It's my birthday month, and so I've treated all the subscribers to an extra gift. I have already removed the mystery gift for everyone this month. The shape would give it away, so I've taken that out already, so everyone gets a mystery gift as well that I'm not showing right now, so that will stay a surprise. You receive a treat bag. I love these waxed paper bags, they're really nice. So you've got the treat bags, are always a bit of a surprise as well. There's always bits and pieces that I don't show, and they're just embellishments and fun bits to use. So that's what's in there. I've got another treat bag here, and this has got some washi and some wooden frames, as you can see. The washi varies slightly. I think you can just see that one. It's got some little leaves. They're all the kind of springtime and leaf design. The subscribers also have some extra little bits and pieces in theirs as well. I do like to treat my subscribers and say thank you. You've got a springtime lollipop in your kit. You've got a cute bunny pen. These vary from pastel blue, pastel green, cream and pastel pink, so the colour will vary, but they're all a black fine nib. I love this month's exclusive stamp. These have just arrived, which is why I was a little bit late posting this video. I've been waiting for them. It's a tab top. I'm so excited about these. I've got so many ideas, and I can't wait to show you how I'm using them. Ideas for my planner, and also with journaling and creative journaling, scrapbooking, all that kind of thing. They are wonderful, these, so I can't wait to start using mine. That is your stamp this month. We are collaborating with Bramble Fox. Let me just give you a nose. In your kit you will receive 2 acrylics, a now and today. Again, these are great, pop them on paper clips or however you wish to use in your planners, but they're also really good as embellishments on your scrapbooking, memory keeping, all that kind of thing. Really handy little things to use. We are also collaborating, a special one this month, with the very lovely Anna from Mrs. Brimble's. Anna has designed this pack just for us. We've got frames, we've got flowers, we've got bunnies and tab tops. It's a really, really beautiful little pack. Lots and lots of pieces in there for you to use. I've got some exclusive stickers from Beautiful Planning. Love these colours, aren't they lovely? Really, really happy with these. A real nice springtime set there. I've got a DIY kit for you. There will be a video of this being posted on the 19th to go with this. And in here, you've got your papers. I've actually opened them up already. I'm so excited. As well as in this pack, in the treat bag, you've got an embellishment postcard, so you can cut the bits and pieces out to use on your projects. You've also got 3 of these organise lists. Today is your day, and just different ways to help you organise, prioritise, do your meal planning, cleaning, all that kind of thing. I love a to-do list, I really do. And then I am super excited to show you the papers this month. You have 2 of each design, and they're lovely quality, nice and thick. And again, you can cut them out, use them however you wish. You've got the frames. You've got some scribbled circles. You've got, let's do that one that way, scribbled scallops, however you want to say that. And then you've got, whoops, the lovely flowers to match the kit. And then we've got today. And you've also got your this week sheets, and you've also got your March calendar, which you would have also got last month as well if you received these kits, and you've also got April underneath, which I will not show you because it's a little bit early for a sneak of the April kit, but you do have a March and an April calendar in there. So that is your March kit. And finally, there is this little clip. I almost forgot about her. Isn't she sweet? She's your planner clip this month, exclusively made for us. Today is your day. It's all about getting organised, really ceasing the day, making the most of your day, feeling organised, feeling positive, just making your day a good day. So there's lots of different things going on the YouTube channel about organising at the moment, decluttering, feeling positive, and also in the chat group, which I've already mentioned. And again, I will link up below for you. There's always lots of different challenges and things going on in the group. It's a really fun place to be. I highly recommend, even if you don't get the kits, but you just love planning and crafting, please come and join us. Thank you so much. I hope you love this kit. I'm really proud of this one this month. It's such a pretty one. Just what we need to brighten up this time of year. I will link up below, so if you haven't got yourself a kit, you can grab one. I'm also going to link up, actually, as the prices are increasing from the April kit. I've never increased the prices yet. I've been going for almost 3 years now, and they're just going to be increasing by £1. If you already subscribe, I'm not touching your monthly cost. It's staying the same. So it would just be from new subscribers. So if you've been sitting on the fence and thinking about subscribing, now is the time to do it before the increase, which will start from the 17th of March. There's a link about it below for you to read. And there's also a link for you to sign up if you want to start at the old price. And that will continue to be that old price as well. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. I'll see you soon. Bye.